Good afternoon, students. Hope you all are doing well. Today we'll start lesson 4, countable plural nouns. So let's get started. Our first topic is regular and irregular plurals. Countable nouns, as we already know, are those that we can count. They can be both singular and plural. Nouns that indicate more than one thing, person, animal, place or idea are called plural nouns. It means anything, any noun which is more than one is said to be plural. Usually, plural nouns are formed by adding the endings s, es or ies. These are called regular plurals. So, the plurals which are made by adding s, es or ies are called regular plurals. Example: cat, cats, wish, wishes, story, stories. Most noun form plurals with s, like cup, cups, fan, fans. Nouns ending with consonants like s, x, o, double s, ch or sh form plurals with es. For example, bus, buses, box, boxes, class, classes, switch, switches, dish, dishes, tomato, tomatoes. Nouns with a vowel before the letter y form plurals with s. Alley, alleys, tray, trays. It means whenever there is a vowel sound before the last letter y, we have to add s to make it plural. The next is nouns with a consonant before the letter y form plurals with ies. It means if there is a consonant sound, if there is any consonant sound before y, we have to drop the final letter y and add ies. Just keep one thing in your mind, that if any vowel sound is there before the letter y, you have to add the suffix s. But if there is any consonant sound before the letter y, drop the final letter y and add ies. Always keep this rule in your mind. It will be very helpful to you. Now let's proceed towards the next topic, that is irregular plurals. However, not all plurals are formed by using s, es or ies. Some nouns use ves or en to form plurals. Such plurals are called irregular plurals. So there are two types of plurals, regular and irregular. Already we have studied regular and now we are going to study irregular plurals. Example: leaf, leaves, ox, oxen. Irregular plurals can be formed in many ways. There are many ways to form irregular plurals. Let's see. Some countable nouns use en or ren to form plurals: ox, oxen, child, children. Nouns ending with f or fe form plurals with ves. Example: calf, calves. Alice, silent in this. Loaf, loaves. In this you have to delete the letter f, means you have to drop the letter f and add ves. Some nouns change vowels in the plural form: woman, women. Goose, geese, means we have to change the vowels. As you can see here, in woman we have changed from a to e, in goose from double o to double e to form the plural. Some nouns change forms completely in the plural, means we do not have to add any suffixes to them. Instead we have to change the whole form, whole noun we have to change. Mouse, mice. Person, people. Some nouns remain the same, like deer, deer. Fish, fish, means in both the forms they will be same, in singular and plural both. The next topic is words used with countable plural nouns. Normally we use words like the, a few, some, many or any before regular plural nouns. Students, the words like a few, some, many or any, these are also called quantifiers because they tell us the quantity of something. And you already know that the is an article. Let's see a few examples here. I have a few apples. Do you want one? It means I have few apples, means they are less in number. Do you want one? Kiran has many friends. Are there any bananas left? Means we are questioning here to someone that whether any bananas are left. I went to the shop to buy some mangoes. Here you see we have used the before the noun shop to say in particular, means particularly we are specifying the noun shop here, to buy some mangoes. We use the before nouns only when we are talking about something in particular, not general. It means whenever we have to talk about anything special, we have to use the before that noun. See the first example. The eggs are in the fridge. Here we are talking specially about the eggs. It means the eggs are in the fridge. See the second example. Eggs are a good source of protein. We are not specifying eggs. We are talking in general only that eggs are a good source of protein. Words like the, some, any, many, a few can also be used with irregular plurals. The examples are: some children wanted to go to the movies. I have 8 mice. The mice are white and fluffy. Are there any men in the parade tomorrow? A few knives are kept in the top drawer. Many people came to the music event. So these words can also be used with irregular plurals. Means these words can also be used with regular and with irregular plurals.